Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a low twisted bun in under 3 minutes. To start, I'm popping some volume powder at the root. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Then I'm going to leave some hair out on both sides of the face just to frame it, and I'm going to divide the hair from ear to ear straight across. Then just pop this into a ponytail. Next, apply some wax spray across the top of the head. Again, I'll list it below for you. And then gently pinch and pull the hair for more texture and volume. Now with the rest of the hair hanging down, just divide it in half. And taking that ponytail, I'm going to twist it in one direction and then wrap it around the elastic band, creating a small bun. This doesn't have to be perfect. Just make sure that you tuck your ends underneath. Then secure all the way around the outside of that bun using as many bobby pins as needed. And starting on the left side, I'm going to bring it over to the right whilst twisting it towards the head as I go, and then pin it to the right hand side of the bun and also to the left hand side. And I like to pop one through the middle of the twist. Keep your bobby pins closed and you won't see them. Bring the ends back over to the left hand side and again secure to the bun with a few pins. Leave the ends hanging out on the left hand side for now. And we're going to take the right hand side, bring it over to the left, again twisting as we go towards the head, and secure it with a few bobby pins along the length of that twist. Now combine all those ends together. And again, we're going to twist them all in one direction, and I'm going to take it over to the right side of the bun, popping a few bobby pins along the length and also at the edge. And with the very tail ends, secure these into an elastic band, and on the last turn, only pull the ends part way through to create a small loop. And we're simply going to just roll this loop up under itself, and again, pin it to that bun with a bobby pin or two. Then just spend a minute or so pinching and pulling each one of those twists for more volume and texture. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.